Man, fuck this stupid ass map. You know what to do here, Steel, right?
What's this map? Oh, hey, I love it. I know I can. I'm behind my shotgun. Let me.
No, I got it. You gotta keep a long distance gun.
Okay, classic it is. Drew, I can use classic as a shotgun. Are you ready, Phoenix? Are you ready? And now we sit and wait, Phoenix. We don't open the door. They open the door.
He opened it! He opened it! He got me killed.
I mentioned you, brother. Oh, I really want his gun.
Player standing.
What?
Phoenix, you got me killed. Why would you do that? And now we wait.
I'm gonna block Phoenix from getting to the door. He's gonna stay here with us. Perfect. I'm ready. Hell, I know what's gonna happen. Is it gonna happen?
Soon.
Soon? No!
Reloaded.
Don't
planting
worry,
behind
Spike's
us.
getting placed. Don't worry,
Okay.
he'll come through.
Oh, he's trapped us! No!
Don't worry, they're gonna come through any second.
They're gonna come through any second.
It's really fucking
Move, move, move!
Good, I finally got it.
Good shit. Always knew you could.
We're too late.
We might just be a little too late.
Player standing.
Oh my god.
They should open the door.
Oh shit!
Ah! Fuck!
Spike planted.
I like that not a long range gun for this year.
There's a person behind you as well. Oh shit.
What is jump scare?
Oh, I can't believe you didn't say anything in chat. What the fuck? Just cracks it open.
Two shotguns. Literally one on his cock, one in his face. That bomb's still gonna go off.
They still successfully planted. They still just won the round like normal, but Phoenix lost that one. Phoenix lost that
Let's
round.
do it again.
Yeah, surely it'll work better this time.
Do you remember that one?
Spike down A.
They're somewhere else.
Last player standing.
He was behind her. They know. Steel, you left your post.
Y'all better keep.
I heard a lot of footsteps for no one to be coming this way.
I know.
Face your
Really
fear.
open that door, Phoenix.
I jumped across the gap and shot her and didn't kill her. They're mid. Oh. Oh wait, no, that's ours. She did that shit so loud. I love this. This is not a winning strategy, but behind you, Steel.
Are they hunting me? Please, the fucking spike!
Planted.
Oh, it's over there. Oh, he's abandoned the shotgun.
Damn.
Didn't do much.
One enemy
Enemy
remaining.
down. My ult is ready.
Your duty is not over. That was weird.
Be prepared.
Never open the doors around us. I got our ass through the doors.
Joke's over! You're dead! No distraction. And that's the end.
I just walked him down.
One enemy remaining.
So, I figured out what my weapon of the
Last
day
round
is.
is the half.
What's that?
It appears to be a
shotgun?
monkey. Dude, did you not see what I did? Did you not hear
No.
what I did? I ulted on Omen and just walked him down, and then I just walked down fucking Phoenix.
It's nice.
One enemy remaining.
Hey, we're participating.
I did it to him again, Steel. Phoenix opened the door. Phoenix opened the
fuck?
door. Iggy has disconnected. What?
Oh no, I got kicked.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh shit, bro. Oh fuck, I probably shouldn't buy. He thought he was safe opening that door. He murdered 2 people just for the door to open and see me.
Letting me hit play.
I mean, I see
No
you.
internet connection. Brother, I do have internet, thank you.
Oh, I
Riot
got
client
kicked.
is just... Ooh.
Connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect.
Yeah, huh. Did we get DDoS?
Phoenix got so pissed at opening that door to a shotgun for the 2nd time in a game, he just took our Wi-Fi out.
You take my dignity, I take your Wi-Fi.
Oh shit, dude. Oh yeah, I don't think it's gonna let me open Riot.
Yeah. Maybe that's our sign. Damn.
Sorry, we're having
fuck?
trouble signing you in right now. Try again later.
Did Riot just die?
Oh, he didn't DDoS us, he DDoSed Riot.
Riot.
Well, shit.
What do you want to do now? Aaron, you want to play some Shell Shock?
Yeah, Aaron, you want to play some Shell Shock?
Aaron? Waiting for network. Uh-oh. Steam's not opening.
Are we just dead? Are we just down?
Restore pages. It doesn't restore pages.
We're just can't load any of my Twitch stuff. Hell, Shell Shockers even sounds like error. It's not letting me into Shell Shockers.
Oh my god, we're truly dead.
What is happening? Oh no, that guy got so pissed off he DDoSed us.
I'm back.
We're
Aaron,
being DDoSed.
Aaron, I styled too hard on a Phoenix and suddenly our Wi-Fi went out. Everything's taking a shit.
Damn.
I can't. We might actually have to call it a night. Like, my stream is laggy as hell. Like it buffers a lot, right?
Mhm.
Hold on, let me see where we're at on. Yeah, no, the stream won't load properly. It's not letting me It's not letting me into Shell Shockers. It's not letting me open Nothing's working, man.
It's fucking crazy, but Discord's working perfectly fine.
Discord's
Yes,
working
it's the
perfectly
only
fine.
thing.
Have you tried to just restart your computers?
No. Getting DDoSed in Valorant is fucking hilarious, though. For context, Aaron. Earlier in this game, this guy
kinda
named
deserve it.
this Phoenix had to knife open a door, and when he got the door open, Me and Steel were both sitting there with shotguns. We died right after killing him, but he one-tapped open the door instead of like light slashing it. He like heavy stabbed it, so he was hella stuck in an animation, and then 2 shotguns got him. The round before I styled on him, I ulted his friend, which my ult puts us, like me and the other person, in a one-on-one little area. And it's a decent distance, and I had a shotgun, so I just ran at him with a shotgun and killed him, his friend. And then I ran around the corner and charged him and killed him with a shotgun. It took 3 shots out of my shotgun to kill him, but I killed him. And the next round, I sat at that door again. It had been like 6 rounds since me. Oh, we're done! It's over! Aaron, can you hear me? Oh no. OBS disconnected. Oh, we're going down. Oh no. Oh no. Discord's down.